Si Pen nandito?
Opo.
Pen, bakit ka nandito? Dapat nasaan yung picture ni Okay, Pen, huwag mong takpan. Ay, ito, ano to? Okay, what's this? Teka, hindi yung mukha ni Pen. It's a joke, sabi, oh. This plant looks healthy. This plant looks healthy. Si Pen yun, guys. Teka, tingnan natin. Alika, tingnan natin yung face. Ay, ang kinis na ni Pen. Nakatulong ba sa'yo yung, small steps? Binigyan ko siya, guys, ng small steps. O, kuminis. O, tingnan natin. Okay, binigyan ko ng small steps. Ang kinis ni Pen. O, yan, it looks healthy and very bad girl. Ayan, sobra. Monster daw, salbahe daw si Pen. Teka lang, tingnan natin. Halika, how old are you? Okay, tingnan natin. Ang ganda ni Pen, oh. Ayan, oh. Pink grass daw. Yung isa naman, cloud. Grass daw mo pala si Pen.